Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to send Google Sheets file. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that send Google Sheets file. Now going to the shareable option. Now for click. Then before number from the name from the share. Now click for the save option. Then send from the any Gmail number. Now any text and select from the viewer, customer and editor. Then also select. Now I select from the editor. Then for the message. Now click for the send option. That's it. Then I show send Google Sheets file in Google Sheets. It's very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for